I've been waiting all day for this. Me one bun one up in the studio. This holy herb a me oh, herb a we oh. We in a the studio. This holy herb a we oh. We in a the studio. This holy herb a we oh. Inhale and exhale. Deep inspiration. Holy herb vibration. Deep motivation. With this holy herb vibration. Holy herb vibration. Medicate on this, the Holy Bible this. Reading Psalms with this. This holy herb a we oh. The wise man know. This holy herb a we oh. The wise man know. This holy herb a we oh. Me have to tell ya. Being at the studio. This holy herb a we oh. Inhale and exhale. Deep inspiration. Holy herb vibration. Deep motivation. With this holy herb vibration. Holy herb vibration. We in a the studio. This holy herb a we oh. Inhale and exhale. Deep inspiration. Holy herb vibration. Deep motivation. With this holy herb vibration. Holy herb vibration. Babylon kill off the prophets and one kill off Jah. Rastafari children, but you know Jah nah go make them prevail. Jah go and set it straight. Just listen to the holy herb vibration. Listen to the holy herb vibration. Just listen to the holy herb vibration. Listen to the holy herb vibration. 'Cause I and I are Jah children, are Jah children, are Jah children. You know Jah children are gonna make it better. Just listen to the holier vibration. Listen to the holier vibration. Just listen to the holier vibration. Listen to the holier vibration. Them can't see the world changing, 'cause I them a set it. But Jaja children are gonna make it better. Better, better, better. 'Cause you know a Jaja children, 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 a Jaja children. Just listen to the holier vibration. Listen to the holier vibration. Just listen to the holier vibration. Listen to the holier vibration. Babylon kill off the prophets and one kill off Jah. Rastafari children, but you know Jaja not gonna make them prevail. Jah go and set it straight. Just listen to the holy earth vibration. Listen to the holy earth vibration. Just listen to the holy earth vibration. Listen to the holy earth vibration. 'Cause I and I are Jaja children, a Jaja children, a Jaja children. You know, Jaja children. You know, Jaja children, a Jaja children. Just listen to the holy earth vibration. Listen to the holy earth vibration. Just listen to the holy earth vibration. Listen to the holy earth vibration. 'Cause them tell us that them can't see the world changing. Them can't see the world changing. Them can't see the world changing. 'Cause I them a set it. But tell you say, Jah children are go make it better. Just listen to the holy earth vibration. Listen to the holy earth vibration. Just listen to the holy earth vibration. smoke the weed to calm the brain. Some people smoke the weed for motivation. Some people smoke the weed to ease the pain. Hey, how you feel? You inna your elements. Me talk about elements like oxygen, zinc, copper, calcium. Kusha get crushed like TKO, Tekken, violence. Me a talk out on the scale, not in a argument. You're inna your elements. Me talk about elements like oxygen, zinc, copper, calcium. Kusha get crushed like TKO, Tekken, violence. Me a talk out on the scale, not in a argument. Some people smoke the weed for meditation. Some people smoke the weed to calm the brain. Some people smoke the weed for motivation. Some people smoke the weed to ease the pain. Say, some people smoke the weed for meditation. Some people smoke the weed to calm the brain. Some people smoke the weed for motivation. Some people smoke the weed to ease the pain. Holy earth vibration. Me tell them life's about elevation. 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 Yeah. Ooh. Some people smoke the weed for meditation. Some people smoke the weed to calm the brain. Some people smoke the weed for motivation. Some people smoke the weed to ease the pain. Hey, oh, you feel you're inna your elements. Me talk about elements like oxygen, zinc, copper, calcium. Kusha get crushed like TKO, Tekken, violence. Me a talk about on the scale, not in a argument. Yeah, inna your elements. Me talk about elements like oxygen, zinc, copper, calcium. Kusha get crushed like TKO, Tekken, violence. Me a talk about on the scale, not in a argument. life's about elevation.
Meditation, deeper concentration, powerful inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Deeper meditation, higher concentration, greater inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. Shower. And if you don't know, ask somebody. Deeper concentration, powerful inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. And if you don't know, ask somebody. Deeper meditation, higher concentration, greater inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. Meditation, deeper concentration, powerful inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. Go! That's what I'm talking about. Deeper meditation, higher concentration, greater inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. Child, you don't know, ask somebody. Holy earth vibration, I mediation. Holy earth vibration, deep inspiration. Higher meditation, deeper concentration, powerful inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. And if you don't know, ask somebody. Deeper meditation, higher concentration, greater inspiration, telling me, get up and do something. I've been waiting all day for this. I've been waiting all day for this. Me want bun one up in the studio. This holy herb we yo. Herb we yo. We in a the studio. This holy herb we yo. We in a the studio. This holy herb we yo. Inhale and exhale, deep inspiration. Holy herb vibration, deep motivation. With this holy herb vibration, holy herb vibration. Meditate on this, the Holy Bible is. Reading Psalms with this. This holy herb we yo. The wise man know. This holy herb we yo. The wise man know. This holy herb we yo. Me have to tell you, we in a this too.